Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je m'appelle Séverine et je suis votre professeur de français. Hello and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I am Séverine. I am here to teach you French before you travel to France. Summer is here. French borders are open for vaccinated travelers. Let's go! Today, in this podcast, you will learn how to say and read the most common and traditional French dishes. I will teach you how to read a French menu, and in this series now we will read dishes. Last podcast, if you haven't listened to it, was about appetizers, and today is about dishes, and the next one will be dessert. A great way to learn pronunciation. For this podcast, you need the transcript on my website, speakfrenchavecmoi.com. And also, don't forget to subscribe to make sure you will not miss any upcoming episodes. Check my Facebook page too for more inspiring content for your French vacations. All right, are you ready for this new challenge? I'm about to speak French now. D'abord, first, you have to know that plat, P-L-A-T-S, plat in French means dishes or main dish. The spelling is P-L-A-T-S and the pronunciation is plat. You don't pronounce consonants at the end of French words. Now I'm going to read the menu from a French restaurant in Paris, an iconic brasserie, Le Bouillon Chartier. They serve traditional French fares and are located in the center of Paris. The food might not be the best, but they are quite affordable and always packed. So please go to my website to find the spellings and read with me. Let's start. Sauté de veau maringot. Sauté de veau maringot. Let's repeat. Sauté de veau maringot. 11,20 €. 11,20 €. This dish is veal and most of the time it comes with a tomato sauce. Choucroute alsacienne. Choucroute alsacienne. Let's repeat after me. Choucroute alsacienne. Alsacienne. Choucroute alsacienne. A. A. In French, the letter A always makes the same sound. It's a high pitch A, almost like in a rat. A. Alsacienne. Alsacienne. Well, you know what is sauerkraut, right? 10,80 €. 10,80 €. Pavé de rhum steak, sauce poivre, frites fraîches. Pavé de rhum steak, sauce poivre, frites fraîches. Frites fraîches. Look at that word, fresh, and do you see the accent on the I? It's called accent circumflex, and it doesn't change anything in the pronunciation. AI in French makes the sound E. frites fraîches. So, you know, it's basically steak with a pepper sauce and French fries. 11,40 €. Pieds de porc Félicie grillés frites fraîches. Pieds de porc Félicie grillés frites fraîches. Now real speed and let's repeat after me. Pieds de porc Félicie grillés frites fraîches. Grillé with double L, you want to make sure to make the sound Y, like in you or in yes. Grillé, grillé. Pieds de porc, Félicie, grillé, frites fraîches. Now this is a pig feet, right? So it will be a grilled pig feet. Do you notice you don't pronounce the D at the end of pied and you don't pronounce the C at the end of porc? Pieds de porc, Félicie, grillé, frites fraîches, 10,50 €. Steak haché, sauce poivre vert. Steak haché, sauce poivre vert. Steak haché, sauce poivre vert. You don't pronounce the H in French, it's mute. So you don't say haché, you just say haché. And again, sauce poivre vert, you don't pronounce the T at the end of vert. Steak haché, sauce poivre vert. It will be basically like a hamburger. It's going to be a patty of ground meat with a pepper sauce. But poivre vert, it will be a little spicy. 8,80 €. 8,80 €. Tête de veau, sauce gribiche. Tête de veau, sauce gribiche. Let's repeat. Tête de veau, sauce gribiche. Again, if you see a cluster of 3 vowels or 2 vowels, you don't want to drag your pronunciation. In French, all sounds are short. So, tête de veau, it's not veau, it's veau. Sauce is not sauce, it's sauce. Sauce gribiche. Tête de veau, sauce gribiche. The accent that you see on tête, it's called accent circonflexe, and it turns the E into E. Tête, tête. De veau, sauce gribiche. All right, so what is this? It's basically, it's the head of the veal, and it's served with a cold sauce, which is a bit like, it's like an eggsy sauce with chopped cucumbers and, no, not cucumbers, chopped capers and cornichons, like pickles. The sauce is pretty good. I mean, you should try it. It's a very traditional French dish. Tête de veau, sauce gribiche. 11,80 €. Poulet fermier rôti, frites fraîches. Poulet fermier rôti, frites fraîches. Poulet fermier rôti, frites fraîches. Now it's your turn. All right. Poulet fermier rôti, frites fraîches. It's a farm chicken and it's roasted. Poulet rôti is roasted chicken and it comes with French fries. 9 euros. 9 euros. Petit salé aux lentilles. Petit salé aux lentilles. Petit salé aux lentilles. You turn. Right. Petit salé aux lentilles. You don't pronounce the X at the end of O, right? It's a preposition. It just means that the following noun is plural. Lentils. Petit salé, it's basically, it's like bacon, but it's not cooked and it's pretty thick. It'll be a thick cut of bacon, but it's not smoked. And it comes with lentils. 8,80 €. 8,80 €. Pavé de rhum steak, grillé, frites fraîches. Pavé de rhum steak, grillé, frites fraîches. You turn. Pavé de rhum steak grillé, frites fraîches. It's basically just a grilled steak with some French fries. 11,40 €. 11,40 €. Tripou de la maison Savy. Tripou de la maison Savy. Let's try again, together. Tripou de la maison Savy. Right. So, tripou de la maison Savy is a dish that is made of tripes. So you have to make sure before you order it that you know what you're doing. You're ordering a dish made with tripes. 10 €. 10 €. Spaghetti bolognaise. Spaghetti bolognaise. Make sure to say the ñ sound like in onion. Do not say bolognese or bolognese or whatever. Bolognaise with a Z sound. Let's try. Spaghetti bolognaise. 8,70 €. Saucisse de Francfort frites. Saucisse de Francfort frites. Let's try. Saucisse de Francfort frites. All right, so saucisse de Francfort will be Frankfurters, right? There will be sausages. They will look almost like hot dogs. I mean, bona fide hot dogs. And it comes with fries. 6,50 €. 6,50 €. Confit de canard, pommes, grenaille. Confit de canard, pommes, grenaille. Let's try together. Confit de canard, pommes, grenaille. Grenaille, you have the I sound. Again, don't pronounce the consonant at the end of confit and canard. Confit de canard, pommes, grenaille. It's basically duck, right? It would be a duck that will be, kept in fat, and pomme grenaille will be like small roasted potatoes. 10,60 €. 10,60 €. Andouillettes grillées, sauce moutarde. Andouillettes grillées, sauce moutarde. Your turn. Great. Andouillettes grillées, sauce moutarde. That ouillette sound, right? It's ouillette, ouillette, grillée. You have twice the ye sound. Andouillette, grillée, sauce moutarde. So, of course, it's a mustard sauce, and andouillette grillée will be a sausage, again, that is made of tripes. So just know what you order. It's usually a little peppery, and of course, some people like it and some people don't like it. But I guess, you should try, and if you're curious, maybe you enjoy it. 11,70 €. 11,70 €. Voilà, c'est la fin de notre podcast. Here you go. This is the end of this podcast dedicated to read how to read a French menu and how to improve your pronunciation while learning useful traditional French dishes. Again, I thank you for being such a great listener, and I have a small favor to ask you. If you like my podcast, please feel free to subscribe and share on your Facebook or any other social media. It'll be great if I have more people listening. I'll feel more motivated. I'm making great contents, and thank you all for your feedback. And I hope that you have a great day and that soon you'll come to visit France. Merci. Au revoir. À bientôt.